Hey everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic week and that you had a great weekend. I am here to show you our two new sight words this week. Our first sight word is probably a word that you hear a lot and that you say a lot. This is usually one of the first words that kiddos learn when they're first starting to talk, and that word is no. So N-O, no, no, no. And I'm sure that you can hear that you can think of lots of examples of how to use this. When I read it, if I can't remember, I think, no, no, no. That's a good way to remember how to read this word. So N-O spells no. Our next sight word for this week is he. Last week, we learned the sight word she. S-H-E, she. She is when we're talking about a girl. He is when we're talking about a boy. So I can use the word he in place of their name. So I might say, John likes to eat waffles. Or I can say, he likes to eat waffles. Or I could say, Caden likes his dog. Or I could say, he likes his dog. Now, if I'm using this in my writing, I might use it if I'm writing more than one sentence and I use their name first. And then maybe the next sentence, instead of using their name again, I will use the word he. For example, if I'm writing a story about Hunter, I might say, Hunter lives in Anchor Point. He likes where he lives, because I've already established that we're talking about Hunter, and so I can just say he, and then you'll know that I'm talking about Hunter. So this is a really good word. This is a really good tool to use in our writing to add some flavor or some differences. So we don't have to say Hunter lives in Anchor Point. Hunter likes where he lives. Hunter has a dog. Instead, I could use he so that I can change up how my writing sounds and looks. So now that we know our two new sight words, no and he, we are going to do a quick sight word review from the words that we already know. The first 6 are the words that we've learned since we've been out of school. So we have he, no, she, all, good, said, make, is, to, you, what, we, now, a, come, and, are, see, with, will, like, this, how, me, my, the, can, find, go, for, be, play, I. So class, you can watch this video more than one time, and I encourage you to do that. You can also watch it without sound and see if you can read the sight words without Mrs. Stokes' help. Or you could see if you could read them faster than Mrs. Stokes. Maybe see if you can read that word before I say it. Good luck practicing your sight words, and remember to watch and listen for the words no and he. Have a great day.